If you're having trouble with multiplayer in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing with your friends in no time. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, multiplayer problems can stem from server outages or maintenance. Step 2. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Baldur's Gate 3 installed. Check for updates on your gaming platform, Steam, GOG, etc., and install any available patches, as these often fix bugs and improve multiplayer functionality. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or another platform, use the file verification feature to check for any corrupted or missing game files. This process will automatically replace any problematic files and can resolve many issues. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block the game from connecting to the internet. Check your firewall settings and add Baldur's Gate 3 as an exception to ensure it can communicate freely. Step 5. Restart your router. If you're still experiencing issues, try restarting your internet router. This can help resolve connectivity problems that might be affecting your multiplayer experience. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any multiplayer issues in Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming sessions with friends.